This video is on how to find the volume of a pyramid by using a formula. So for pyramids, remember they have one base and they have a height. And remember kind of the object itself kind of goes to a point up on top. All right, so to find the volume of a pyramid, I'm going to take big B times H, same as we would do for a prism. But then I'm going to take that total and divide it by 3. Now, sometimes you'll see the formula written as 1/3 big BH. All right, either way is fine. I just thought it might be a little bit easier for us if we did big B times H divided by 3. Let's make sure that we know what each of these represent. Big B is the area of the base. And the H, remember, is the height. Now, that's going from the center of the base straight up to the peak. All right, so that again is our height, and it's the height of the pyramid. Okay. All right, so we're going to round our answers to the nearest tenth here. Same as we did before with prisms. Identify what your base is. So I see my base down there, and I know that the volume is big B times H divided by 3. So to find big B, I know that my base, in this case, is a square. I know it's a square because both those measurements are the same. So this would be 6 times 6 or 36. I know that the height of the pyramid from the center of the base up to its peak is 11. So to find the volume, I'm going to take 36 times 11 and divide that by 3. Remember, again, we're going to deal with cubic units here. So I've got 36 times 11. Divide that by 3. And that gives me 132 cubic inches. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. All right, this one, a little bit different. All right, again, first identify the base. The base here is a rectangle this time. I know that because 10 and 11, they're not the same measurement, and it's a four-sided figure. So I know that big B here is going to be 10 times 11, or base times height, or 110. Sometimes length times width, all right, is how people talk about it. Don't forget, I forgot to write this down, big BH divided by 3. I know that the height from the top to the bottom is 10. So then to find the volume, it's very simply 110 times 10 divided by 3. And the direction said we're going to round to the nearest tenth. Let's see if we need to here. 110 times 10 divided by 3. Oh, yeah, we need to round. So this is going to be 366. We're going to round to the nearest tenth. So that's 6. Look to the right, 6. That rounds it up. 366.7 cubic inches. All right, how about one like this? Well, this is a little bit tricky, but I'm going to go ahead and name this side as the base. And the big reason why I did, notice the height in the middle of it. So I know that they're talking that this is demonstrating in this picture that they intend for us to call the base that triangle that's on the bottom. All right, I know to find the volume, we're going to take big BH divided by 3. So now I got to find big B. I know that the base is a triangle. I know that to find the area of a triangle, I take base times height divided by 2. So I know that this 8 and this 6 are the base and the height of the triangle on the bottom. The hypotenuse is never going to be the base and the height. Remember that. So I've got 8 times 6 divided by 2, which would be 24. I know that the height of the pyramid is 7. And now very simply plug that information into the formula. So I've got 24 times 7 divided by 3. And I'll use a calculator. You don't really need to on this one, but 24 times 7 divided by 3 would give me 56. So I have a volume of 56 cubic centimeters. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.